how not to have a voicemail set up for your company. I'm going to go ahead and call the company Yelp. Let's go ahead and like and subscribe before we go on. I want you to hear what they do with their answering machine and how they mess up. Let's make a phone call right now. Hold on.
Thanks for calling Yelp. We may monitor or record this call.
Thank you for calling Yelp Customer Success. You've reached us after hours, and our offices are now closed. To speak with someone on our team, please call us during normal business hours, or you can find more info at yelp.com/get-support. Thanks. We look forward to speaking with you soon.
Okay, unconventional money warriors. So this is what they did wrong. They basically say call us during normal business hours, but you notice they don't tell you what the hours are. So now I don't know what their time zone is. So this is a horrible mistake. If you're going to leave a voicemail, make sure you leave your hours so customers know. Don't leave it blank like this. This is not a good look. I hope this little quick tidbit was useful. Go ahead and hit like and subscribe, and we look to see you on our next episode. Thank you so much.
Ram wants you to succeed and will continue to bring you unconventional money-making content for free. Leave a comment below, a like, and if you would, subscribe for more money-making tips. Also, take this opportunity for an amazing offer from Webull. 2 free stocks worth up to $1,800. See the link in the description below. They even give Ram a free stock. Everybody wins.